Cities around the world are growing rapidly, bringing significant challenges. We need to cope with rising populations whilst becoming more sustainable and competitive. The solution is smart cities.
By integrating digital technology into our cities, we can make them more livable, more workable, and more sustainable. These future smart cities will offer us high-quality living and high-quality jobs.
ABB Ability digital offering sits at the heart of cities' infrastructure, linking devices to the edge and to the cloud.
It's critical to treat cities' buildings, utilities, infrastructure and industries not as isolated operations, but as the overall ecosystem.
ABB delivers world-leading solutions across all city operations. And the smarter we make our cities, the better we can make life for people who live there.
Smart cities are designed to empower every person with better education, healthcare, safety, transparency and improved city operations, connecting intelligence data with citizens in real time.
This kind of smart city approach depends entirely on establishing groundbreaking collaborations. Solutions need to be developed by cities, industries, universities, startups and other sector leaders all working together.
Our partnership with Microsoft goes beyond pure technology integration and innovation to complement our solutions.
ABB's smart city solutions are already transforming urban development around the world. Let's write the future together.